Hello everyone, welcome back to another tech series episode. Today we're going to be talking about the Hyperx Cloud II headset and the Razer Kraken 7.1 version 2 headset. I'm going to give you guys my opinion on which one you should buy this Boxing Day. Alright guys, let's dive into it. So today we're going to be talking about the Hyperx Cloud II headset and the Razer Kraken 7.1 version 2 headset. The reason why we're talking about these guys is because these are USB plug-in headphones, 7.1 surround, in around the $100 range area. So that is your guys' price range. These are the headsets that you guys should be looking at. Yesterday I went down to Best Buy and I picked up the Hyperx Cloud II headset. It is one of the most highest rated headset on Best Buy and Amazon. It's a talked about headset, guys. That's why I want to talk about it for you guys. Currently is on sale for $100 Canadian, and I believe really cheap American. It is $69 American. That's a good price, guys. That's a good deal for these headsets. The Razer is on sale Canadian for $89, guys. That's a great deal. I think I paid $130 for these, and they're on sale for $89 right now on Best Buy. And this sale lasts to January 4th for both these headsets as well. So if you guys like these and you like my opinion on them, go pick them up, guys. And let me know if you do. Let me know what you guys think about them. I think the Razers are only $59 American. These headsets, American, $59. That's an amazing deal, guys. That's a steal. Reasoning why you go with USB headsets, because I like to sit at my computer. I don't move around. I don't go in the living room, nothing like that. So I don't need a wireless gaming headset. But if you guys are in the market for a wireless gaming headset, there's currently the Logitech G933, whatever. They are a wireless gaming headset. My brother actually has this headset, and I've tried it on myself, guys. Super comfortable. It's nice on the ears. It's like lightweight, nice and flexible. And if you guys are into wireless gaming headsets, I would recommend that one as well. But we're not talking about that one right now. We're talking about these guys. Alright, first off, we're going to hit up the Hyperx Cloud IIs, guys, because I want to talk about these headsets right now. This is the headset. It comes with two sets of earmuffs. I don't know what to call them. It's made of metal. It's very flexible, sturdy. It's lightweight, guys. It's a very soft headset, guys. It fits nicely on your head, and it's the sound quality. It's amazing, guys. It sounds amazing. Yeah, it's cushiony. It's nice and soft on your head. It fits perfectly around your ears, and I got some big ass ears, guys. So great headset all around. Amazing quality. The Razer Krakens. Coming up on both, guys. These headsets, from wearing that headset to this headset, this one is a lot more cushionier. There's a lot more cushion to it. It's a lot thicker, and it's way more noise cancellation. So if you guys are looking for something to be more noise cancellation than Hyperx Clouds, these ones definitely are the ones for you. They're very soft, and they're very flexible too as well. Not worrying about breaking them, and they're also a metal frame around too as well. And yeah, they're amazing, guys. Like, you can't hear anything coming from the outside. So if that's something you guys want more than the Hyperx, then get these ones, if that's a problem in your house. Using them, both headsets, the Hyperx Clouds, when you're playing shooting games, things like that, there's no problem with hearing where the gun sounds are coming from, or people are walking. I've played a few rounds of ROE and PUBG, and you can hear everything going around you guys. Pretty much identical. The 7.1 surround in both headsets is identical. No complaints there at all, guys. The mic, we'll do a mic test after this, guys, and I'll let you guys know, because a lot of people like using their mic headsets. The thing with the Razer Krakens, though, to remember is they're USB only. So if you want something to plug into your controller, your PS4 controller, or be compatible with your PS4, these are not that. If you guys want them just for a PC, these ones are awesome. The Razer Kraken one, or not the Razer Kraken, the Cloud, is compatible with your PS4 and your controller. It has a little dongle that you can unplug and plug right into your PS4. Or you can plug the USB in as well. I tried. It works just the same, guys. It also has the controls on the dongle and a mute switch, which is really nice. The Kraken's mute switch is on the headset, guys. The mic is right here, and the mute switch is right here. I like the mic. The mic sounds amazing, but when you're playing a game and you touch your mic when you're streaming, it's kind of loud. So either get a switch to mute yourself and stream or something, maybe. But mic quality is amazing. I will compare the mics after this, guys. I'll let you know what I think you guys should buy at the end of this. You know, it's depending on what you have and what you are trying to look for. But yeah, great headsets, both of them equally amazing in the same price range. You know, either one of those are amazing headsets if you guys are in that $100 price range, or if you're an American and you're looking for a $70 price range, apparently, because it's really cheap there as well. I'm going to move on to the mic test, guys, for you, and
Okay, guys, this is the mic test for the Hyperx Cloud IIs. Um, One thing to note for this mic, it is detachable. So if you guys want to take the USB or take the dongle off and plug it right into your cell phone, go out for a walk, you can do that as well without having this giant thing hanging off your face. You know, I think that's a pretty cool option as well for these headsets. And they don't look, terrible. They are very comfortable. They look nice, kind of just like a studio headset. I still haven't removed the plastic on them, guys. But yeah, this is the mic test, and it's got also a little pop filter on here too, as well. So if you're, you're live streaming on PS4, if this is what you buy this headset for, which is what I recommend it for, um, it sounds amazing, guys. You know, if you're streaming from your PC, that's what you do. Most people have, a Yeti or a Snowball, but if you don't, this mic is okay. It sounds good. It sounds good in, Discord, everything else, and this is also with no filters at all. So let's head over to the Razers and check out to see what that sounds like. This is the mic test on the Razer Kraken 7.1 version 2 headset. And as again, this is this headset right here, guys. The 7.1 version 2. I think I've actually used this mic I used it for about 4 months during my stream. Nobody really noticed the difference between my Snowball. There is a difference. Like, I noticed it with all my filters on and everything, but it's a great mic. It's an amazing mic. If you guys, this is all you have, you don't need to buy, another mic. This will be perfectly fine for if you're just starting setting up, or if you're just talking to your friends in Discord. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, what mic you like better. And as again, this mic, PC only. It's just a PC mic. Sorry, PC headset. And yeah, let's go back. I just wanted to show you guys the boxing and check out the boxing on this headset. This was shipped really nice, guys. I'm gonna show you that. But yeah, comments below. Let me know what you guys think. What mic is better. Oh, first before I go, this is what I was talking about. When you have to unmute yourself, you're gonna be peaking every time because you're gonna be rubbing that mic. That's my only complaint.
Okay, yeah, so one thing I wanted to note before end this video is the box that came with this. Inside was a nice little case. Hyperx Cloud is very well built. It's solid. Inside the case was some, just showing you what products you can use and what else they sell. Warranty, a quick startup guide, just in case you don't know what you're doing. And as well as these. These are what I want to talk about quick, is the replaceable head muffs or ear muff things. they're just the foam ones. So if you don't like leather, you have this option, guys, which is pretty cool. A lot of people don't like the leather muffs, so they sent a replaceable one of those. Came with a little dongle for mic to audio headset, I believe, something like that. And also came with a nice carrying case too, guys. Very, very well very well packed. Very nice little setup. Very impressed with their boxing. It was very nice. Razer Kraken wasn't as nice. It was really just I spun my monitor. It was pretty much just shipped in this box. Actually, I haven't really opened it since I bought them. It was just a basic plastic little casing. Nothing fancy. Didn't come with anything cool. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really need to, but just thought I'd mention that for you guys. So yeah, my recommendations. If you are a PS4 PC player or just a PS4 gamer, obviously buy the Hyperx Clouds, guys. These are amazing headsets. Sound quality amazing. 7.1 surround, very good. Also has, I forgot to mention on the dongle, it has a 7.1 option. So when you're playing games, you can select that, and it's so if you just want to listen to music, you don't have to have it on. That Razer Kraken is obviously just built into the actual studio on the computer through Razer Chroma. But yeah, recommendations: if you just have a PC, get the Razers. Hyperx Cloud's still a really good headset, amazing, one of the best rated. Both of these headsets are, in my opinion, equal. If you're playing on PC, if you're playing on just PS4, obviously get the Hyperx Clouds. They're a great headset, guys. And that's the end of my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is kind of the first time I've ever done like this kind of a comparison video. There's a lot more to come, guys. We're going to be doing more comparison videos on mice, keyboards, mics. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Smack that like button. If you guys are new here, think about subscribing and joining the Wolfpack. And I will see you on the next live stream probably. Bye.